Welcome back to another video. If you would like and subscribe. Today I'm gonna make a short video on how to change out your window regulator on the driver's side door of this 2011 Chevy Cruze. I got the panel off. I'm gonna show y'all how to take the panel off in another video, but since I had the door off, I'll show you how to do this. So basically, you're gonna peel this plastic back and you're gonna remove this screw, that screw there. It's a screw here. There's a screw here, and there's a screw there. So you will have 5 screws. I'm gonna take you out to the one that I took out that broke, so you can understand a little bit easier and better. All right, this is what the regulator looks like once it's out the car. All right, the screws I was pointing at are this here, this one here, this one up here. You have one on the motor, you have one, and you have one up here. This is the reason why this one broke. It just simply broke off right here. So that is one reason why your window will not go up. And if this one fall off, which you can see it's pretty loose, and keep this in mind, before you put the new one in, you want to loosen this nut right here. That nut allows this to open up a little bit. That way you can slide the window in a little bit better. Excuse all the back noise. My neighbor's out playing. I can't do nothing about that there. But I was just trying to show you how to do this. And you also have a connection here you have to take off. That's for the motor itself, to let the window up and down. If you have any questions, these are size 10 mil to take off. So all of them are 10 mil. So all you have to know is 10 mil and do your harness. And you got to kind of finagle it out like this and pull up out of there. But I just want to make a short video so y'all can see how to put one in and take one out. If you would like and subscribe. Thanks for watching my video.